Good day everyone. Today I will show you the 8 different ways to make money online. There are many ways to make money online. Here are some ideas to get you started. 1. Sell products or services. Starting an online store is a great way to sell products or services. You can create your own store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These platforms make it easy to set up your store and customize it to your liking. You can also sell products on established marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. These platforms have a large customer base, making it easier to reach potential buyers. You can also offer services like writing, graphic design, or coaching. You can find clients through sites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. 2. Take surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for consumer opinions on their products and services. You can sign up for survey sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research to earn money by taking surveys. These sites may also offer other opportunities to earn money, such as watching videos or playing games. 3. Participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your unique referral link. You can sign up for affiliate programs through companies like Amazon, ShareASale, or Commission Junction. To be successful in affiliate marketing, it's important to choose products or services that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. 4. Create content. Starting a blog, podcast, or YouTube channel can be a great way to monetize your content. You can make money through ads, sponsorships, or selling digital products like courses or ebooks. To be successful in content creation, it's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has a large enough audience to support your efforts. 5. Teach or tutor. You can offer your skills and expertise as an online tutor or teacher through platforms like VIPKid or Skillshare. These platforms allow you to create and sell courses or offer one-on-one tutoring. To be successful in online teaching, it's important to have a deep understanding of your subject matter and be able to communicate it effectively to your students. 6. Complete tasks and gigs. Websites like Fiverr, TaskRabbit, or Upwork offer short-term or part-time work opportunities that can be done remotely. These tasks can include anything from writing or data entry to graphic design or website development. To be successful in gig work, it's important to have a specific skill set that is in demand and to be able to market your services effectively. 7. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Online brokerages like Robinhood or Coinbase make it easy to invest in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. It's important to do your research and invest wisely, as investing carries some risk. 8. Rent out property. You can use sites like Airbnb to rent out a spare room or vacation property. To be successful in property renting, it's important to have a well-maintained property that is in a desirable location. You should also be prepared to manage the property, including cleaning, maintenance, and responding to guest inquiries. These are just a few examples of ways to make money online. The key to success is to identify your skills, interests, and resources, and find a way to monetize them in a way that works for you. With the right approach and a bit of hard work, it's possible to earn a good income through online ventures. Thanks for watching, and for more videos and ideas, don't forget to hit subscribe and comment below. Have a great day.